Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful crochet pattern of a shawl. This is a triangular shawl pattern which I have made quite a long ago, but I thought to share the pattern with you as well because this shawl pattern is for absolute beginners and this shawl can be made very easily by everyone because this is a simple triangle shawl pattern with granny pattern. This is a granny triangular shawl pattern, and for this project I am using a 4mm crochet hook. You can use 3.5mm crochet hook as well, in the sense if you want to make your stitches less loose. So I am using this line brand yarn. So first of all, we will make a slip knot. So make a slip knot like this. And then with the help of crochet hook, we will make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. So after making 5 chains, we are going to work into very first chain. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this very first chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch like this. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again, go into the same stitch, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 3 into the same chain. Now for corner of triangle we are going to make 3 chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. After making 3 chains, we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches in this same chain. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now we are going to make chain 1 and then a double crochet in this chain. So this is our first row. You can see a little triangle here. Now we are going to start our second row. For second row, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here, and then we will make one more chain. Now we are going to turn up the work and we are going to work in this chain 1 space. So in this chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, we are going to make chain 1. Now we are going to work in this corner chain 3 space. So in this chain 3 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. So after making these 3 double crochet stitches, we are going to make 3 chains for the corner, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. We will work in the same space again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. So this is our corner pattern: 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, and we are going to work into this chain 1 space. We have made 4 chains here. 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and chain 1 would be used for making 3 double crochet stitches like we have made on this side as well. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. And now we are going to make chain 1 again. So here you can count from this side: 1, 2, and 3. This is our third chain. So from this side we are going to work into this third chain, which is right here. So in this third chain, make a double crochet stitch like this, and our second row is also completed. This is this pattern which we are going to repeat for every row. I will show you how to make another row with the same pattern as well. So again make 4 chains: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn up the work. Make 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space: 1, 2, and then 3. Now make chain 1. In this next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet stitches: 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, and we are going to work into this chain 3 space now. 1, 2, 2, and 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3 chains for the corner. Then again 3 double crochet stitches: 1, 2, and then 3. Now make chain 1. In this chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. again chain 1. In this chain 1 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. You have to adjust it from here to see third chain. Third chain is here, so make chain 1, 1, 2, 3. In this third chain, we are going to make our last double crochet stitch of this row. So this is our pattern. All you need to do is just repeat this row until you get your required size of shawl. You can make it in smaller size, you can make it in medium, and even in larger size as well. And you can add long tassels to it like fringes if you want as well. That's all up to you. These shawls are made with fringes and without fringes as well. Mine, which I have made, was without fringes, and I will share the picture in thumbnail with you guys as well, so you can see the full shawl look in that video as well. So I don't have shawl right now, so I will add picture which I have. So this is a pattern. I hope you guys like this absolute beginner friendly pattern for triangular granny shawl. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and want more tutorial videos like this in future, then press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well to get notifications of future uploads from this channel. So stay connected. Share this video with other crochet lovers as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.